When a hazardous situation has been identified, then you need to either try to contain the situation or get out immediately. Getting out immediately means just that. It does not include helping coworkers. OSHA regulations prohibit workers from assisting stranded personnel during an emergency that requires an immediate exit. Anyone left inside must be rescued by trained personnel with the appropriate PPE. If the emergency is an uncontrolled release of a substance, the escape procedure will depend on the density of the vapor that has been released, among other things. Vapor density indicates whether a gas is lighter than air or heavier than air. Materials that have a high vapor density tend to flow down into low-lying areas. Liquid propane gas is an example of a material with a high vapor density, so it will fall in the atmosphere. And materials that have low vapor densities tend to flow upward into the atmosphere from their point of release. Methane is an example of a gas that has a low vapor density, and it will rise in the atmosphere. It's important that you follow your company's emergency action plan in any situation, and you must know where your facility's escape respirators are stored in case a respirator is needed to safely exit an exposed area. After you've exited the exposed area, you should immediately notify the appropriate personnel. A specially trained crew may be required to rescue victims, pinpoint the source of the leak, and stop the leak. If the hazard is a spill, a specially trained crew may be needed to build a dike to control the flow of the spill, or to remove the chemical with an absorbent substance. Again, it's crucial to know the chemical. Even a small spill could result in fire, a violent reaction with another chemical, or a release of dangerous gas. If the nature of the hazard doesn't require an immediate exit, make sure that you know your facility's procedure for handling the situation. Generally, the response to such a hazard includes blocking off or marking the area and notifying appropriate personnel.